Welcome to Mummas Samrt Kitchen. Today we are going to make egg Manchurian. First, take a bowl, grease a bowl with oil, add 4 eggs into a bowl, add pepper half teaspoon, beat the eggs well. Place egg mixture in idli cooker. Steam it for 15 to 20 minutes. Steamed idli is ready to pick. Let it cool down for 2 minutes. Run a spoon or knife through the edge. Transfer steamed egg in a cutting board. Cut the steamed egg into desired shapes. If you want, you can cut it into any shape you want. Keep it aside. Add maida quarter cup in a mixing bowl. Add corn flour quarter cup. Add salt as required. Add pepper quarter cup. Add chili powder 1 teaspoon. Add water and mix well to form a semi-thick batter. Make sure you don't add too much water. Add all the cut steamed egg pieces in the butter. Coat the cooked egg. Heat oil in the kadai for fry. Fry all egg pieces in the hot oil. Once they become crispy, take it off from the oil. Fried egg pieces are ready. Keep it aside. Heat oil 1 tablespoon in a pan. Add garlic 1 tablespoon finely chopped. Saute it in for a minute until the raw smell is gone. Add onion 1 finely chopped. Cook until it turns translucent. Add capsicum 1 finely chopped. Cook for a couple of minutes. Add salt 1/4 teaspoon. Stir for 2 minutes. Add chili sauce 2 tablespoons. Add tomato sauce 2 tablespoons. Add soy sauce 1 tablespoon. Mix well. tablespoon of corn flour in water. Add it to the pan. Add fried eggs. Stir for another 2 minutes. Nicely mix the fried egg in sauce. Delicious egg Manchurian is ready to be served. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and share with your family and your friends.